right into the tutorial. We're going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to start by blending in a transition color. I'm deciding to use Raw Sienna. I noticed that it was a little light for me, so I did take another brown and I blended that in off camera. Next, I'm going to take Venetian Red and Love Letter, mixing those two together to create a perfect burgundy effect. And I'm going to take a smaller brush. It's very important if you have tiny eyes, well, really any eyes. Every time you add a new color, you want to take a smaller brush and go down lower and lower. This creates a lot of depth and definition into the look. I'm also going to pat those two colors on the inner corner, and I'm going to use a much smaller brush to do so. The key to this whole look is a lot of blending. We're using a lot of different colors and we want each color to stand out, but we also want it to be soft. So take your time with blending. Next, I'm going to take Cyrus Umber, and that's that brown color, and I'm going to take an even smaller definition brush and I'm going to apply that right in the crease. And then I take a fluffy brush and I blend out the edges so everything is nice and neat and nothing is too sharp. In that center that we left clean, I'm going to take this pressed pigment by Morphe. It's called Untamed, and I'm just going to take a flat brush and pat it down. I did wet my brush so I could have more of a metallic look. And I really want to take this a little bit higher above my crease line. And this is what you should look like so far. After that, I'm going to take Vumernier and I'm going to pat that right in the center. And this is just to create a little bit more of sparkle right in that center of my eye. Now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm using a eyeliner, liquid eyeliner by e.l.f. And I'm not going to do so much of a dramatic line. I do want a little bit of drama, but not too much. This has actually been my first time I was able to actually do a winged liner on camera and it didn't go out of focus. So woohoo for that. This pretty much concludes the eye portion. It's a very simple and very easy technique. I went ahead and did my foundation off camera. Right now I'm just adding some bronzer. The camera was a little wonky right here, but my bronzer was by CoverGirl Ebony Bronze. And I'm just adding that on the highest points of my cheekbones. After that, I'm going to spray my face down with my Hangover 3-in-1 setting sprays by Too Faced. And then I'm going to take a baked highlighter, also by e.l.f. And this shade is called Blush Gems. I love it because it's that perfect glow from within highlighter, which I'm so here for these days. And it just gives me that nice, you see that nice, that nice little sparkling effect. It's not too much. It looks like I'm glowing from within. I love it. Now I'm going to line my lips with a MAC Night Moth pencil. I never realized how long it literally takes you to line your lips. Like, this is a true freaking art. And I'm going to completely line my lips in. This is how I got it that dark. On top of that, I'm going to take a e.l.f. lipstick, and this is in the color Wine. And I'm going to fill in the center of my lips. And then that pretty much completes the look. I told y'all, very quick and easy, sexy, dark Valentine's Day look, or any kind of look that you want it to be. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video and share. And I'll see you on the next tutorial.